Here's how to install FLUX AI on your Mac. Essentially, the installation is done in 2 basic steps. In step 1, we have to install Pinocchio first, and in step 2, we will install the FLUX Web UI app. So let's get this started. First, head over to the website pinocchio.computer. And then click on download, and this will take you to this website right here. On top, click on Mac. To download Pinocchio now, click on either download for Apple Silicon Mac or download for Intel Mac. If you don't know what Mac model you have, you can click on the Apple icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then click on About this Mac and you will find the information right there. So in my case, I have an Apple M1 Max, so I have a Silicon Mac, which means to download, in my case, I would have to click right here. Now after downloading the file, here's what you need to do. First of all, you run the DMG installation file. Then drag the app to the applications folder, then run the patch.command file, and finally open the Pinocchio app in the applications folder. So let's have a closer look at these steps. First you double click on the DMG file, then you make sure to drag Pinocchio here into your applications folder just like this. I won't do that right now because I've already done that, but in your case, after you did that, you have to run the patch.command file. Double click on the file to open it up. If it doesn't work, to open it up like this. If it doesn't work for you, then right click on it, click on open, and you will get this message right here. Simply click on open again to open it up. This will run something in the terminal. Once that is done, open the Pinocchio app in the applications folder. If you can't find it, just go to the finder in the upper right corner of the screen and search for Pinocchio, and you should find it right there, and then simply open it up. Then in the Pinocchio app, click on discover in the upper right corner and then search for FLUX right here. Next, click on FLUX Web UI and then download this right here. This will actually take a while, so please don't worry about that. After downloading, you will get to this window right here. When you arrive here, make sure to click on the blue install button. Here again, this will take a while because a lot of stuff will need to be downloaded and installed. So patience is really key here. Once the installation process is done, you should get to this window right here. Congratulations! You can now start generating images with FLUX on your Mac. To create an image now, simply input your prompt right here and then click on Run in the upper right corner. Please note that if this is the first image that you're creating, this will take a very long time to create. Because when the first image is created, also a lot of stuff still needs to be downloaded. So this can take anywhere from 5 to like 20 minutes. After that, image generation will be much quicker. And here's the cute image that I just created. Last but not least, just one bonus tip. It's always good to click here on terminal on the left side, because there you can always see what's currently going on. For example, earlier on, when you were still downloading the files, the progress of downloading and installing would actually be displayed right here. So it's always a good idea to come here to see what's going on. This is also true whenever you experience some problems. In the terminal, you will see what's up. And that's it, guys. This is how you install FLUX AI on Mac. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more FLUX tutorials.